When installing a 100 amp sub-panel, determining the correct cable type and size is crucial for safety and performance. Firstly, Article 400 provides the general requirements for electrical systems and specifically addresses feeder conductors. This article is a good starting point for understanding the regulations surrounding your installation. Secondly, for underground installations like a basement sub-panel feed, type use cable is required. USE stands for Underground Service Entrance Cable, designed specifically for direct burial. This cable is manufactured to withstand moisture and physical damage inherent in underground environments. To determine the appropriate cable size, several steps need to be considered. Step 1 involves calculating the anticipated load in the sub-panel. This is done by adding up the amp ratings of all the circuits that will be connected to the sub-panel. Accurate load calculation ensures you select a cable with sufficient ampacity. Step 2, voltage drop is a critical factor. Consult Table 310.15b6 to ascertain the voltage drop limit for the 70-foot distance and the calculated load. Excessive voltage drop can cause appliances to function improperly and can even damage equipment. Step 3 involves selecting a cable size. Based on the ampacity requirements derived from your load calculation and the voltage drop limit, you will choose a cable size that meets or exceeds both criteria. It is generally necessary to refer to the cable manufacturer's specifications for the specific ampacity of the USE cable you plan to use, as ampacity varies depending on the cable construction and insulation type. For instance, if your load calculation reveals that you need to carry 80 amps and the voltage drop limit is 3%, a 2 American Y-gauge USE cable may be suitable. However, always verify the manufacturer's specifications to ensure that the chosen cable meets or exceeds the requirements. Remember, selecting the right cable involves not only the ampacity but also ensuring compliance with the applicable electrical codes and standards to ensure a safe and reliable electrical installation.